You can defeat us. We look fantastic. We're out of stock. Collectors want us. Collectors buys us. You shouldn't mess with us. We are the real class. Hasbro officials, Toys R Us exclusives, variants, mystery, prototype pets. The second generation rules the world. The second generation rules them all. You don't know what will hit you. You don't know what just hit you. Whoa, hold on. We're not afraid of you. You have no idea what we can do to you. We're new and better, timeless and stronger. You little rusty necks can put up with our steps. Kids love us and they want us. We are cheaper, and let's discuss about how you're made in China like the rest of us. Bow down, you're American of the. We are the new generation coming to the battlefield.